This is the stuff that gets you views. This is what you want to do. All right, today is Saturday. It's 4 p.m. and I just closed down our store here. If you didn't know, we do have a physical store besides our web shop. So if you ever need any products, feel free to come by. So I just finished up work, and man, this thing needs a wash. So it's been a while since I've washed it. It's filthy right now. I'm actually honestly, I'm ashamed of the current state of it. It may not look dirty on camera right now, but trust me, I'll bring you in closer. This thing is filthy. Man, these wheels, they're a completely different color right now. Anyway, it's actually, like, the weather is actually kind of nice, but it's a bit more windy than I expected. So maybe I'll bring the car back inside. We'll see. I'm gonna get my bucket set up, gonna get my products, and then we'll get to washing the car. All right, so I got everything set up here. Gonna be using Magic Wheel Cleaner by Coach Kemi. Still one of my favorite wheel cleaners. And as you guys have noticed, this video is gonna be a little bit different than what I usually do. I've seen some people requesting more videos like this. It's actually been quite a while since I've done one of these. It's actually been over 2 years since I've done a video like this. But I've seen some people commenting on older videos to do more stuff like this. I've also seen some comments on some recent videos, so here I am, doing it. So I'm using Coach Kemi Magic Wheel Cleaner, Retire for the tires, and I'm gonna be using Brake Buster to foam up the wheel. I got Brake Buster in a foam cannon right here, so I'll be using that. Man, I love these turbo nozzles. I've seen some mixed opinions about it, but I just think they do a really great job at blasting out all the dirt especially from carpet wheel wells. So I like using them. I'm gonna rinse this off, and then we'll foam it up with Brake Buster. Hopefully this will all go to plan, because I've been messing with my my audio settings a little bit, because like most of my videos I record with a different mic. So if I'm using this thing, I have to adjust it a little bit. So since it's been a while, since it's been 2 years, I'm not quite sure if it's all correct. So we'll see. Hopefully. This is our microfiber mini wheel mitt, and this is just a small wash mitt, and it's great for cleaning your wheels, obviously, because it's much easier to get in between the spokes and everything. It's much easier than big wash mitt, because like a lot of times you can't get in between the spokes. Get the back sides as well on the caliper. Where's my brush? Forgot my brush. All right, got my brush. So like I said, you guys have been asking for more videos like this. Gonna be doing more of these in the future, because ideally what I would like to do is actually have 2 videos a week. One video would be probably on Wednesday or Thursday, and it would be more like this one, just like a really relaxed one. I'm just like setting up the camera, talking to you guys, talking about business, talking about what I'm doing, whatever. It could be anything. And you know, some of you might like it, some of you maybe don't like this style of format. That's why I still want to, you know, I'm not gonna get rid of the usual style, because that's, at the end of the day, that's why most of you guys subscribe to the channel. So I'm not gonna get rid of that. I just want to switch it up a little bit. All right, rinse it off. Looks like I have to redo the coating on these wheels. They're not really beating anymore. It's been quite a while since I have protected them with Delux. It's been over a year, definitely. It's been like a year and a half. So you know what? I think the entire car could do with a refresh, because it's been like, I think it's been like 2 years since the car has been detailed. So might give it a polish soon, and like a new layer of coating. Don't forget the exhaust tips. Just let that dwell for a little bit. So I also just use some brake buster combined with this is the stuff that gets you views on Instagram Reels, by the way. This is what you want to do. I guarantee you get views if you make a, a video of exhaust tip cleaning. I guarantee you will get views. Just get in there real good, yeah. There you go. Squeeze it out. Hopefully you guys didn't click away there, since I got a little intense there. Setting up my buckets here, and I see a lot of questions about the products that I use and why I sometimes use different products, or you know, just like questions how to decide what product to use. The reason why I switch it up sometimes is just because we obviously have the store, we have a couple different brands in there, and I just feel like switching it up sometimes. I just feel like using whatever I feel like using that day. So, and today I'm going to be using Superfoam by Coach Kemi to do a pre-wash. And then I'm going to do a contact wash with, not with gentle snow foam, but with reactivation shampoo today. Since it's been a while since I've washed the car, so This is hopefully going to reset the hydrophobic properties of the coating that's on the car. As you can see here on the windshield, I got Glaco, Soft 99 Glaco on the windshield, and it just sheets off the pre-wash. So I just foamed the car. I just foamed the car with reactivation shampoo. Camera just cut out on me. I don't know why. Happens sometimes. I sometimes get the question whether I clean roofs or not. As you can see, I do. It's the most stupid question I've ever seen. Like, what do you expect? You expect me to do all this work, not clean the roof? Doesn't make any sense. Look at that. Coating is actually still doing its job after 2 years. Don't forget your door jambs. They're dirty as well. Man, I love this Glaco stuff. Just look at the water beating on this thing. Finishing up with some Beatmaker here. This is still my favorite spray sealant, even after I don't know how many years, but this stuff is amazing. For the glass, I'm gonna use Glaco Cleaner by Soft 99. This product also comes in the collaboration kit that we have with with Soft 99. If you have never heard of it or if you've never tried it, I definitely recommend it. Stuff is amazing. All right, so that's looking a lot better. She's all clean now. If you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments. If you could, smash thumbs up button. It really helps out the video. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.